what are companies doing about this? For one, I think that any smart company right now is looking through their website content right now and being like, what do I give LLMs to index? So they're looking through all their copy, they're looking through the headlines, they're looking through their positioning. They're probably adding more pages because the more information, the better, actually. And they're actually also adding, just like there's a robots.txt file that you can add to let Google know that you want to be indexed. People are starting to add llms.txt files that essentially generates the equivalent of a sitemap for LLMs to be able to scour through all your web pages and understand, like, these are the pages that I want to be indexed in an LLM specifically.
Hmm.
So that's number one. Number two is they are trying to kind of SEOify the content that they produce for LLMs. And so they might be creating content that they normally wouldn't because there's no search volume in Google for it. But because they know the train of thought and the follow-up questions that AI chats normally ask, then they're creating content around that. So like you said, with the remote recruiting platforms, for example, if they see, okay, every time someone does a deep research option for something, it asks 3 follow-up questions, and the follow-up questions are usually around specific parameters or filters, then let's create blog content or other FAQ sections on our pages that try to address those filters and those qualifiers.
So it's getting an insight into what additional information could we use to better make our case. Like, because you can check all this stuff yourself and put yourself in the shoes of somebody who is searching for something that would fall on the lines of what your company does. And then you can play out the entire scenario of you went here, you went here, you went here, and you went here, and we've got all those bases covered.
Yeah.
Gosh,
Yeah.
that's freaking
Yeah, exactly.
smart. It is so straightforward when you think about it, optimizing yourself for this, because I feel like the curtain's been lifted in a far more easy way. It feels like Dune, where they're like, yeah, we don't even have robots anymore. It's just straight to the point. Like, we've cut out all of the craziness in technology. That's what it feels like to me.